Let's get you recording your favorite shows on Spectrum. First, ensure your Spectrum cable box, like a World Box or XG1V3, is properly connected to your TV via HDMI and powered on. Connect it to the internet for the latest program guide updates. Activate the DVR feature through the Spectrum app or website. Then scan for available channels. The DVR relies on an electronic program guide, EPG, to schedule and manage your recordings, so make sure it is up to date. Understanding the initial setup is crucial for seamless recording. Over 70% of Spectrum cable subscribers are now using DVR features. Now for the fun part, recording. To record a show you're currently watching, simply press the record button on your Spectrum remote. This immediately starts capturing the program for later viewing. For future shows, navigate through the program guide to find the program you want to record. Highlight it and press record to schedule it. The DVR will automatically capture the show at the scheduled time. To record an entire series, highlight the show in the guide, press record, and select record series. This sets up automatic recording for all new episodes, saving you time and ensuring you don't miss any. Now let's manage your storage. To prioritize important recordings, mark them as keep to prevent automatic deletion when space is low. This ensures your favorite shows stay saved. Regularly delete unwanted content to free up space. Go to your recordings list, select old shows you no longer need, and delete them to maintain available storage. You can expand storage using external USB drives up to 8 terabytes on compatible boxes. Connect the drive, format it through the DVR menu, but note that USB storage may not support all features like fast forwarding in 4K content. For flexible storage, use the Cloud DVR option through the Spectrum TV app. Download the app on your devices, sign in, and record shows directly from the app's guide, storing up to 500 hours in the cloud for 90 days. With these recording and storage management tips, you can make the most of your Spectrum DVR. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for your viewing habits.